How to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for yahoo.com. Now tap on the login option you see there and make sure that you have entered your correct email address. Make sure that there are no typos, extra spaces, or incorrect domain. Also, you can try logging in on another browser or device to rule out formatting or autofill issues. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open a new tab and in the search bar, search for login.yahoo.com/forget. Now, enter your recovery email or phone number and then follow the prompts to recover or reset your login info. If that does not fix your issue too, then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the delete browsing data option. In the menu that appears, tap on that and then tap on the delete data option, and with this, your cache will be cleared from Google Chrome. Try logging in again, and if it is still not logging in, then go back to the login.yahoo.com/forgot page and reset your account using your recovery methods, and make sure not to use the reused password or weak passwords. You can also try to check Yahoo's server status, so open a new tab again and in the search bar search for downdetector.com/status/Yahoo Mail. Now, if there's a widespread outage, you can try again later. Also, if your browser has extensions or a VPN, then some ad blockers, privacy extensions, or VPNs can block Yahoo login scripts. So go ahead and disable them temporarily and reload the page. And if you are using the mobile app of Yahoo, then make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. And if not, then you can update your app and try logging in again. So these were a few fixes for how you can fix Yahoo Mail login problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.